సందేశం ఇచ్చారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ అండి. ఇక మరొక విశిష్ట అతిథి ఏటీఎస్ఎన్ టాస్క్ గ్రూప్ సంస్థల డైరెక్టర్ శ్రీ ప్రసన్న గారు మాట్లాడవలసిందిగా కోరుతున్నాను.
Good afternoon, boys and girls. Good afternoon. So, I'm not going to take a lot of your time. I'm just going to say that, this is a very important, you've already discussed this about the voting. You all have very strong opinions on the voting methodologies and who to vote and who to participate. So that is very nice to see that all of you are very enthusiastic about participating in the democracy. We are one of the biggest democracies in the world, and it's nice that all of you are enthusiastic about participating in it. There are 2 points that I want to make on this forum, and that is that, hope you guys, all of you are listening. Yes. So one of the things that you have to do is to plan. When I say planning, what happens? There are elections, and you're going to get there, right? Most of you are probably under 18 right now, but once you get to that voting age, you will be eligible to vote. So what do you do on that day? You should know and learn about it. You should educate yourself about what your rights are, and how do you go about doing that. A lot of times when I talk to my my guys in the office, 1 day or 2 days before the election, I ask them, are you guys going to vote tomorrow? And they say, maybe we will not vote. Someone will say that, I don't have a voter ID. Then someone else will say, I'm not registered here. So for some reason or the other, they will always find excuses to not vote. And what do on that day, assuming that it is a holiday on that day? They have fun with their friends, they go to the mall, or they hang out with their friends playing cricket or whatever it is, and they lose a very nice opportunity that this country has given us, the freedom to choose who we want to be our elected leaders. And that comes because we don't appreciate what we have. If today you are in another country like North Korea or somewhere, then you don't have the right to vote. So you should be very happy that our forefathers and our leaders have given us this country today where we are free to do what we want to do. Sometimes we are more free than other countries, and we have the right to vote. So from that standpoint, all of you should plan and don't give excuses why you cannot vote. Okay? So from that standpoint, make sure that that there are other people too. For example, your friends will be there. Your friends will be there, and these people are called naysayers. What they will say is, no, not required. You don't have to vote. Your vote doesn't count. The election is already decided. Somebody would have voted for you. All these things are available out there. These people are they always say no. So I was listening to a podcast where someone was saying, a distinguished gentleman was saying that, whenever somebody says no to him, he makes sure that it is done. So you also have to make sure that when someone says no to you and someone says, no, it's not required, you have to make a commitment to yourself to go out there, get your voter ID, and make sure you get registered. So one time I was living in one suburb, and then I had a voter ID, so I went to the voting booth 2 or 3 days before. There are people sitting in the voting booths, and I asked them, this is my name, this is my voter ID, can you show my name? And they said, sorry sir, your name is not there. I said, last elections I voted. He said, okay, fine, but your name is not there. Then I said, what am I supposed to do? They said, there is a local municipal office, you can go there, you can register, and that's what I did. It takes a little bit of time from your very busy schedules to go and do this, because this is one of the important things for us to do, to elect the people of our choice. Now sometimes when you vote for someone, he may win or he may not win. So we will feel very happy if the person that we voted to wins, and we may feel a little sad, but that is democracy, that is how it works. So to keep it short, I always tell everyone, even in our organization, that if they don't plan, just like they don't plan, when you have a birthday party, you plan. You call your 10 or 15 friends, you make sure that you get the right cake, or you make sure you get the right sweets. Then you plan this for 3 or 4 days, or even weeks. Sometimes kids, they plan their birthday 1 month in advance. So when you can plan your birthday in advance, when you can plan your career, when you can plan your marriage, when you can plan your college admissions, when you can plan all this, why can't we plan to participate in democracy? Because it's a beautiful thing. So I leave with this message that all of you, boys and girls, young ones there, should take this in stride, and not just themselves, but also educate all the people around them, that when they come to the voting age and when they're eligible to vote, please get a voter ID, register yourself, go out and vote, and exercise your choice. Thank you.
కిషన్ గారు రాకపోయినా కూడా అంటే కరోనా సందర్భం కాబట్టి యాక్చువల్లీ ఇది ఇక్కడికి ఓట్ అవేర్నెస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్కి వచ్చేది ఉండే, బట్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయింది. బట్ ఆయన యొక్క ఫ్యూ వర్డ్స్ వీడియో ఫుటేజ్ పంపారు, ప్లీజ్ ప్లే అండి. సక్కర్ గారు.
Good afternoon. Greetings from Farmington Hills, Michigan. Let me begin by saying thanks to Magnificent Digital Solutions for this opportunity to say a few words from far away. I would have been there personally if not for the pandemic and the havoc it's wreaking around the whole world. I'm not there in person, but my heart is there with you all on this great occasion. Also, at this time, I would like to acknowledge all the distinguished guests on the stage and commend them for taking the time out of their busy schedules to grace an event that highlights India as the world's largest democracy and its inherent democratic values. My message to the many young and dynamic scouts and guides and the youth in the audience is, you are the change agents in this world, and one of the fundamental ways to bring about change is to understand the value of voting and its impact to the society we all live in. I suggest that all young be engaged, always be informed, read up on political issues, both local as well as national, and figure out where you stand. Get out and talk to people. Even if some of you cannot vote, still you can make your voices be heard on social media, in your school, in the local newspaper, or other public forums. You never know who actually may be listening. The other way, and a very significant way, is for you to volunteer. If you really support a particular candidate, you can work on their campaign by participating in phone banks, doing door-to-door canvassing, writing postcards, volunteering at the campaign headquarters. Your work can help them get elected so that your voices are heard and they're all put in action. Participating in elections is one of the key fundamental principles of any democracy. So please be engaged so that you can actually bring about the change that you desire in the society, in the city, in the state, and in the country you live in. I wish you all the very best, and before I conclude, on behalf of SKI and all our group companies, TAS, ATS, Heinz Technologies, I would like to congratulate Magnificent Digital Solutions for this initiative to spread the value of vote and voting to the younger generation, and wish them the very best in reaching all the youth of Telangana and beyond. All the best once again. Have a great afternoon with the launch of the song.